Let's change tracks and touch base with the management of Monte Carlo. The case for a chat here being approving buyback of 4.6% shares to buyback shares at rupees 550 per share. Update on winter sales so far as well. Sandeep Jain, who's the Executive Director of Monte Carlo Fashions, joins in with a better understanding of the business. Good to have you, Sandeep. Take us through why you approved this buyback and why now?
See, actually, we came out with the public issue 3 years back, and we think that the share price is not reflecting the actual value of Monte Carlo. So that is why, to benefit the shareholders, we came out with the buyback plan at around 550 rupees, so that also it reflects the true value of the company.
Okay. Fair enough. You know, it's always, the reason we ask this question is because it's always a toss-up between paying out a dividend to shareholders, existing shareholders, or buying back more shares. And you're going to be buying back about 4.6% of the existing equity. Give us your own sense on what makes you so optimistic that the share price should be valued higher than where it is right now. What is going on in terms of your future expansion plans that gives you the conviction that investors currently are not capturing?
See, the reason being is that even we have gone for buyback, the promoters are not participating. That shows the confidence of the promoters in the company, and it's actually only for the benefit of shareholders. So shareholders will get the share almost 3 times the offer, because 65% is held by the promoters. And as far as winter season is concerned, and we are very confident and optimistic about the pickup which it has shown in last 2 months, and we are sure that whatever guidance we have given in the beginning of the year, like 15%, we would be able to achieve in the financial year.
Okay. What are you expecting from the upcoming winter season?
See, I think it has begun up well. The festive season was a little delayed, but it helped us because the winter has also started, and right now we are in the first week of December, and it has actually shown a growth over the previous year. So that, I think, that's a good sign for us, and we are very optimistic that this quarterly growth will be matched whatever projections we have given.
Right. What about competition, especially from the unorganized players? How are you tackling that?
I think with the advent of GST, actually it is helping the organized player, as there have been some tax issues earlier with the unorganized player, but now everybody has come under the GST preview. So that is helping us to bridge the gap, and that is actually for the benefit of organized players.
Okay, I also want you to give us a quick sense of, if you could substantiate with numbers in terms of the kind of volume growth that you are penciling in for FY19, and also what the projection would look like for FY20.
See, it's right now it's difficult to give me the volume projection, as October, November, December is the major season for us, and we have just begun with the December. So it will be more prudent for me to give the projection at the end of this quarter, as far as volume guidance is concerned.
Okay.
For the next year. Yeah.
Okay. Just last couple of questions. What is it that you're hoping to do from a margin standpoint?
We have stated earlier also that we'll be able to maintain the last year's margins. It has come down in the first and second quarter, but we'll be able to copy it up in this quarter as well. So we'll be able to maintain the last year's margins for full financial year.
Okay. I also wanted to get your perspective on what kind of sales and profit number are you aiming for FY19 as also for FY20?
See, FY20 guidance, I cannot give it right now. We give yearly guidance, and yearly guidance for financial 19, we have already stated that we'll be growing around 15% in this financial year, and we'll be able to maintain our margins. So by that you can guess it out, the profitability of this financial year also.
Yes, we'll do the math. Thanks very much, Sandeep, for joining us. We wish you all the very best for the future, and good luck with your buyback plans as well.